Looking for a powerful tool to tackle demolition, cutting wood, metal, or PVC? Reciprocating saws are versatile, high-performance tools designed for precision and efficiency in tough jobs. Here's a quick guide to the best reciprocating saws that combine power, durability, and ease of use. Starting at number 1, BOSCH RS4 228 Reciprocating Saw. The BOSCH RS4 2814 amp reciprocating saw is a high-performance corded electric saw designed for professional and heavy-duty DIY use. It delivers 14 amps of power with a compact 8-pound body, offering one of the best power-to-weight ratios in its class. The saw features a 1 1/8 inch stroke length and a variable speed trigger, allowing precise control and efficient cutting through wood and other materials. Its innovative vibration control system, including counterbalance technology and an anti-vibration handle, minimizes fatigue during extended use, while the ergonomic soft grip handle ensures comfortable handling. Additional features include orbital action for faster cutting, a robust adjustable shoe for stability, and a toolless blade clamp for quick blade changes. With constant response circuitry, the saw maintains consistent speed under load, making it reliable for tough jobs. Overall, the BOSCH RS428 combines power, comfort, and versatility, making it an excellent choice for professionals and serious DIYers alike. Number 2, Porter Cable Reciprocating Saw. The Porter Cable 20V Max Reciprocating Saw, PCC670B, tool only, is a powerful and versatile cordless saw designed for efficiency and convenience. It features a 3000 SPM drivetrain with a 1-inch stroke length, allowing fast and effective cutting through wood and other materials. Its compact 14.5-inch design makes it easy to work in tight spaces, while the variable speed trigger provides precise control for a variety of cutting tasks. The saw includes a tool-free blade release for quick blade changes and a pivoting shoe that helps maintain constant contact with the material. Built for comfort, it has a contoured, overmolded handle that reduces strain during extended use. As a cordless tool, it offers portable convenience and is compatible with the 20V Max system, although batteries and charger are sold separately. Number 3, SEESII Reciprocating Saw. The SEESII Reciprocating Saw Cordless is a lightweight and versatile battery-powered reciprocating saw that's equipped with a brushless motor delivering up to 3,500 RPM for fast cutting across wood, plastic, and light metal tasks. It includes two 4.0 AH batteries and a fast charger, so you get extended runtime for longer projects without frequent recharging, and the 15mm stroke length helps ensure precise cuts. The saw comes with 8 high-quality bimetal blades and a tool-free blade change system for quick swapping, while the built-in LED work light improves visibility in dim or enclosed spaces. At only about 2 plums, its lightweight design makes one-handed operation comfortable, and the variable speed trigger lets you adjust cutting speed based on the task. There's also a safety lock button to help prevent accidental activation and included accessories such as gloves and safety glasses for convenience and protection. Overall, it's a portable and user-friendly tool ideal for DIYers and light cutting jobs, though heavy-duty applications may be beyond its optimal range. Number 4, DEWALT W305 Reciprocating Saw. The DEWALT Reciprocating Saw DWE305 is a corded electric saw built for heavy-duty cutting tasks, powered by a robust 12-amp motor that delivers up to 2,900 strokes per minute with a 1:1 8-inch stroke length for fast, efficient cuts. It features a 4-position blade clamp that enhances cutting versatility and allows for flush cutting in the different orientations, and a keyless lever-action blade clamp makes blade changes quick and easy without tools. The variable speed trigger lets you instantly control cutting speed for better precision and adaptability across materials, and its ergonomic design provides comfortable handling during extended use. Overall, the DWE305 is a reliable, powerful reciprocating saw suitable for general demolition, wood cutting, flush cuts, and a variety of job site applications. Number 5, Makita XRJ04Z Recipro Saw. The Makita XRJ04Z 8V LXT lithium-ion cordless reciprocating saw, tool only, is a powerful and versatile battery-powered saw ideal for a wide range of cutting applications. It features a Makita-built variable speed motor that delivers up to 2,800 strokes per minute with a 1:1/4 stroke length for fast and efficient cutting. The saw has a toolless blade change system for quick blade swaps and a variable speed trigger for precise control. Its compact ergonomic design, about 19 to 1:8 inches long, and soft grip handle help reduce operator fatigue and improve comfort during extended use. weighing around 8.3 lumps with battery sold separately. Additional benefits include an electric brake for improved productivity, a refined crank mechanism that reduces vibration and blade deflection, and extreme protection technology, XPTTM, for better dust and water resistance in tough job site conditions. The tool is compatible with Makita's 18V LXT batteries, but battery and charger are sold separately.